Let's learn English. Speak with me. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for ship. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Number 1. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January. Let's learn weekdays' names. Repeat after me. Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Get ready for fruit party. Orange, peach, raspberry. Yummy! Mango, apricot, banana. This fruit looks very juicy. Custard apple, pomegranate. So yummy! Coconut, kiwi, cherry, lychee. Yum! Delicious! Blackberry, Java plum, chiku. Wow! Yummy! Muskmelon, watermelon, jackfruit, grapes. Yummy! Plum, papaya, This fruit looks very juicy. Apple. Strawberry. Guava. Pineapple. Orange. Vegetables matter most, so let's learn them. Bottle gourd. Capsicum. Yummy! Eggplant. Ladyfinger. Broccoli. Cabbage. The vegetable looks very delicious. Cucumber. Coriander leaf. Potato. Green peas. So yummy! Leek. Ridge gourd. Beetroot. Cauliflower. Cluster beans. Tomato. Bitter gourd. Yum! Delicious! Carrot. Garlic. Wow! Yummy! Onion.